Hi there, students. Senescent, senescent, an adjective. Senescence, the noun of the quality, an uncountable noun. Okay, senescent means getting old, becoming less able to do things as time goes by. Now, I think primarily this word is a word in biology. And when, for example, cells become senescent, they don't divide very well. They divide more and more slowly, or maybe they just won't divide anymore. Or senescent leaves go brown in autumn and fall off the trees. But you can use this in other ways to say that something is old. So, yeah, I'm definitely senescent, but I'm not senile. If you're senile, you're so old you don't know what's happening. Whereas senescence, getting old. Okay, so definitely, the city is becoming or some areas of the city are becoming senescent. They are old. They need to be revamped. Okay, so senescent, getting old, but normally we talk about senescent cells. The body is becoming more and more senescent in its old age. So, do I feel senescent? Sometimes, yes. Okay, so senescent is the state of being old, the process of being old. The growth phase in a plant where it's nearing its death. A plant has a phase. It grows, it becomes big, it becomes strong, and then it dies. Well, the same as all of us. And senescence is this this idea of becoming old, becoming less able to function well. So maybe many of the political ideas that I think we have nowadays are senescent, and we need to look at politics in a new way. I guess you could say the light of the senescent day started coming over the hills towards me in beautiful colours. So, senescent, growing old, characteristic of old age, normally used in biology, but you could use it in other things as well. Notice, senescence is the aging process, it's the process of growing old. Whereas senile says it's talking about too old to be able to function properly. Senescence is something natural. If somebody's senile, it's the very end, and they're not going to be able to do a great deal more. But yeah, I'm definitely becoming senescent. I don't function as well as I used to. My body doesn't function as well. Maybe my brain is a bit senescent as well. I can't think as clearly as I used to. So, formality. This is a formal word. It's a scientific word. I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. Give it a 7 in formality. Would I use it in a semi-formal conversation? Maybe just. I think probably better in something poetic or semi-formal writing would be a good place to use it, or something formal. And then as to origin, this comes from the Latin word senex, meaning old. And we've got lots of words that are related to that. The Senate, a senator, senior, seniority. All of these words are related to it. Okay, so enough. Senescent. It's talking about aging, growing old. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Yeah, that was a senescent moment. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Senescence. Senescent.